So today I will tell you about growth of Maruti Suzuki. So Maruti Suzuki is an automobile or car manufacturing company since from 1880s. The Maruti Suzuki it consists of two brands. The Maruti was introduced in 1880s in India, so it is an Indian brand, whereas the Suzuki is a Japanese brand. The Maruti joined hand with Suzuki, the Japanese brand, in 2003, but at that time Maruti has the most number of shares and the Suzuki has less number of shares. So that's why you have seen in the earlier cars there is a brand logo of Maruti on the wheels on the back side of the car. But in 2013, Suzuki has raised the maximum number of shares like 53-52% of the shares, and the Maruti has less number of shares on it. So that's why you have seen the S sign of Suzuki in new cars like Grand Vitara, Wagoner nowadays. And since from 1880s, Maruti Suzuki was the most selling car brand in India. But do you know how they became or set this benchmark for themselves? Because they identify the needs of customers firstly and then understand it and then deliver that kind of product to the customers which are actually required by the customers. So a single need is satisfied by the Maruti because you have seen the maximum number of India people are of middle. That's why Maruti is giving best cars to middle income groups because they knew the population is large of these income groups and they will prefer only low budget cars which has limited features. But the situation changed in 2010 when market share or market was capturing by premium cars by so many other companies or competitor companies of Maruti Suzuki like Mahindra has introduced their new Thar which has premium features. Toyota has introduced their new Fortuner so which has a large number of they understand this market trend and deliver this kind of product to its customers. But they knew if they introduce their premium cars on the Arena showroom, Maruti Suzuki Arena showroom, which is now in every city, they will face a lot of challenges because people knew that showroom is only for normal and cheap cars. So that's why they made a separate showroom, Maruti Suzuki Nexa, where you will find only premium cars. So in this way, they made two showrooms in each city of India where they handle both type of people. Rich income group people in Maruti Suzuki Nexa and middle and low income group people in Arena. So that's why they collect maximum of audience on their company and they become the most selling car brand in India. Although Maruti is lagging behind in safety features, but currently they are improving it as their new Grand Vitara in NCAP test they got 4 stars on it. So at last I want to conclude by saying that you should be understand your audience behavior while you are at business top or at any stage. You should firstly understand what your audience actually wants from you and deliver that thing to them accordingly.